guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a video that is not really like stuff I normally do on my channel anymore. I am doing a full face of makeup I have never tried before. So we have a makeup tutorial coming your way. So like I said, I do not do makeup tutorials anymore. I literally have done the same makeup basically since high school. I just graduated with products a little bit. So my makeup stays exactly the same, but I have been getting tanner. You probably can't tell. My neck, my chest, my stomach, my legs, my arms are tanner than my face because I don't tan my face. So I needed a BB cream that would match that along with a bronzer. So I went to Ulta and got some new products. And I decided to show you guys what I do, show you the new products that I got, and do a voiceover for it. Okay, so with all of that being said, I am just gonna jump into the voiceover and show you guys what I got. So to start off, I already put my lotion on my face. I just used the Neutrogena face lotion. Then the first product that I'm using is the MAC Prep and Prime. I've never tried this before and it was on sale at Ulta, so I thought, why the heck not? I always use a primer, and so I thought a water-based one would be great for the summer to keep my face looking dewy, but also a very light makeup look. Then I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in the shade 15 Fair. It's pretty light, but I like to brighten up my under eyes, so I thought I'd try this one. And I'm sure I do it a little bit different than most people. I put it on underneath because I put a BB cream over, so it doesn't have a ton of coverage, and I like the way it looks blended out when it's underneath the BB cream. Then I'm trying out this NYX BB cream. The workers at Ulta recommended it, and I'm using the shade Natural, which is way darker than I thought I'd ever go, but it fit me perfectly, so said the people at Ulta. So I'm trying it out today, and they all loved it, so I guess we'll see. I always use my fingers to blend in my BB cream. It's just the way I've always done it. I feel like a beauty blender takes away too much of the product, and a brush just coats it, whereas using my fingers warms it up and makes it soak into my skin. So it's just how I've always done it, and this is how I like it. And I make sure to blend down my neck just because my neck is a little bit tanner than my face, and you can see my face is still pretty white in comparison. Now I'm going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. The ladies at Ulta told me this was going to be like an exact replica of Benefit's Hoola Bronzer, but it's only $12 and seriously smells so good. It comes with a little brush, but since my face is wider than my neck, I'm going to use my kabuki brush and spread it all over my face to even out that color. I'm not a huge powder person, and so I wouldn't normally go in with a powder and then a bronzer. That's why I'm doing bronzer all over my face. I know a lot of people don't like that, but this is just what I'm trying out for this makeup look. And now it matches so much better. In with my fluffy blending brush and using that same bronzer to go into the crease of my eye just to make me look a little bit more alive and spread out that bronze on my eyelids. I couldn't find an eyebrow pencil or item that I wanted to try out because I have so many that I need to use up. So I'm just going to fill in my brows with my ELF eyebrow pencil and just show you guys what it looks like. But this isn't a new product, it's just a necessity because my eyebrows are so sparse. Then I just run through it with a spoolie, and then I use some clear mascara as a setting since I don't want my eyebrows to be too dark. And then I just call it good. And then I'm using my trusty liquid eyeliner. Again, it's just what I've always used. I didn't have any other ones because I love this one and I never try anything different. So I'm going to do these off camera. Now I'm trying out the Better Than Sex mascara from Too Faced. And I've never tried this, but I've heard great things about it. And if you know me at all, you know eyelashes are my thing. I can do no makeup and just some mascara and I would feel like a freaking boss. So I'm so excited to try this one. And throughout the day I do a ton of coats. I touch up frequently with my eyelashes because they're a big deal to me. So this is good for right now because I'm definitely going to touch up throughout the day. Alright, so that is all for my makeup tutorial. I know it was a so simple. Anyone could do it. But that's honestly exactly what I do with my makeup every single day, all the time. And now having brown hair and it being summer-ish,
I did need to get a little bit tanner for my face. The color that I got in the BB cream, like I told you guys, was way too light, but it was the only shade that they had, and they recommended this one, so I decided to try it. So that's why I use my bronzer all over instead of just highlighting places like I normally would, but I really like the way that it turned out. I think it looks really even, and I don't have to use a setting powder, so for summer it's super easy and good, which I like. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe. It's free to subscribe, so just make sure to do it. I love you guys. If you have any video requests, please leave them below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.